That time when I joined, there was a time of flux. Till that time, we were having a very good single US customer with a lot of sales. Suddenly, one day he said, I'm getting 40-50% cheaper stuff in China, so sorry, Ramco.
It's often fascinating to see how entrepreneurs turn challenges into opportunities. When Ramco was on the verge of losing its only customer, Nitin Mittal chose reinvention, taking the company global and beyond a single industry.
We decided that we are not going to just cater to the automotive industry. Very clearly, we said that we want to get into other industries, and we took part in some trade fairs in Europe and USA, which were non-automotive. There we established contacts with some customers who were from off-highway, from agriculture, from construction equipments, etc.
Ramco began with a young man's dream in 1992, with a global outlook deeply ingrained in its DNA. Nitin's father, Brij Mohan Mittal, and his brother, Paresh Mittal, laid the foundation stone stronger. They slowly added more machines for turning and milling and built a state-of-the-art machine shop. But machines alone weren't enough. Ramco always believed in doing good, accurate work. That's why, even before others, they brought in advanced systems to check quality. This helped them make better parts, win trust, and grow stronger over the years. Nitin believes the coming years belong to India. With young talent, good education, and growing global trust, Indian manufacturing is ready to lead. For him, it feels like a fresh start, full of energy and hope.
We believe very strongly in watching our carbon footprint, be it solar energy installations, sustainable supply chain, water harvesting, and other things. So, we believe very strongly in respecting Mother Nature. I would say that it is a great time to be in manufacturing in India right now.